Yeah, I firmly believe that effective governance doesn't um, hinder innovation. It actually paves the way for it. In my experience, when organizations integrate agile transformation, agile governance, and risk aware decision making, they create an environment where compliance acts as a structured enabler rather than a barrier.
Hello and welcome to FaceTime with Leaders, a podcast by Directors Institute, World Council of Directors, where we dive into the minds of visionaries who are shaping industries and redefining leadership. Some people follow trends, others create them. Today we are sitting down with someone who has done exactly that, Mr. AK Arivudai Nambi. With a mind that thrives on innovation and problem solving, he has spent over 2 decades shaping industries, whether it's AI, product management, business automation, or even entrepreneurship. From leading game changing tech projects to launching his own startup, his journey is about more than just career milestones. It's about reinvention, resilience, and vision. So let's dive in directly. Mr. Nambi, welcome to the show.
Hi, Sunny. Firstly, thank you so much for the warm welcome. I'm truly honored to be here with FaceTime with leaders and to have the opportunity to share my journey and insights with such a distinguished audience.
Great to hear that. All right. So, success is never a straight road. It's full of twists, turns, and unexpected detours. Looking at your incredible journey, Mr. Nambi, from leading high impact tech projects to launching your own startup, it's clear that each phase has shaped you into the leader you are today. But if we rewind to the very beginning, when you were just starting out, did you ever imagine your career would take this path? Were there moments of doubt or unexpected turning points that, looking back now, played a crucial role in where you have ended up?
When I look back to the beginning of my career, I remember being driven by a genuine passion for technology and problem solving. I never fully imagined that my path would take me from hands-on engineering roles to leading large-scale agile transformations and digital innovation. There were certain moments of doubt at times when challenging projects and unexpected market shifts forced me to rethink my approach. However, these turning points taught me resilience and adaptability, laying the foundation of my agile leadership style and fueling my commitments to continuous learning.
That's such an incredible journey, Mr. Nambi. It's fascinating how one decision or challenge can lead to entirely new path. And I love how you embrace those moments and turn them into opportunities. So, Mr. Nambi, looking at your incredible career, you have led and executed over 50 projects across gaming, e-commerce, and mobile applications, each with its own challenges, innovations, and impact.
Yeah.
But I believe there is always that one project that leaves a lasting mark, either because of its complexity, the lessons it taught, or the sheer passion that went into it. So, if you had to pick the project that was the most personally rewarding or had the biggest impact on you as a leader, which one would it be?
Well, if I were to choose one project that truly stands out, it would be Comprehensive Digital Transformation Initiative I led early in my career. This project was not only technically complex, but collaboratively engaging with multiple teams, tight deadlines, and evolving requirements, but also deeply rewarding on a personal level. Navigating through these challenges, I learned the power of agile leadership and collaboration. The success of that project reaffirmed my belief under pressure in innovation had significantly influenced how I lead and mentor teams.
Absolutely. So, continuing our conversation, Mr. Nambi, being recognized with the Gladiators Award is no small feat, of course. It speaks volumes about your ability to stay composed under pressure and lead with clarity, especially in high stakes agile environments. So, could you take us back to a time when your composure and responsiveness made all the difference? A moment where things could have gone sideways, but your approach turned the situation around.
Yeah, I
Great.
recall one particular incident during a critical project phase when an unexpected system failure threatened to derail our entire timeline. In that high pressure situation, I knew that staying calm and composure was essential. I quickly reassessed our priorities, coordinated a rapid response with my team, and implemented contingency measures. Our decisive actions not only mitigated the crisis, but also strengthened our collaborative resolve. That experience reinforced my understanding that composure and quick informed decision making are what truly define a leadership during tough and challenging times.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Right. So, moving ahead, Mr. Nambi, uh, designing digital experiences for adults is one thing, but creating something that truly engages and educates children is an entirely different challenge. And you have worked on UX design strategies for children's banking applications, which is such a fascinating and impactful space. But what were the biggest challenges in designing for young users? And what key elements did you focus on to make the experience both engaging and meaningful for them?
Right. Designing a banking application for children was an exciting challenge because it required translating complex financial concepts into a simple and engaging format for children. The biggest hurdle was ensuring the experience was not only intuitive, but visually appealing as well, but also secure and educational. We focused on creating a playful, gamified interface that made learning about money fun, and accessible, all while maintaining stringent safety protocols. The positive feedback from the parents and children affirmed our approach and underscored the importance of empathy and clarity in design.
That's such an important space, actually. Teaching kids financial responsibility early on can truly shape their future. And I love how much thought goes into making these experiences both fun and meaningful. All right. So, Mr. Nambi, continuing our conversation, looking at your journey so far, it's clear that you thrive on innovation, leadership, and solving complex challenges. But every leader has a vision for the future, whether it's pushing the boundaries of technology, mentoring the next generation, or making an impact at the highest levels of decision making. As you look ahead, what are your next big aspirations? Do you see yourself stepping into boardroom roles, shaping strategic decisions on a larger scale?
Yeah, exciting question. As I look into the future, my aspirations is to step further into a boardroom roles where I can leverage my diverse background to diverse strategic change from agile project leadership to digital transformations and sustainability. I'm excited about the opportunity to mentor emerging leaders and contribute to shaping up high level decision making. Ultimately, I see my role evolving into one where I can blend innovative thinking with robust governance practices to create a lasting impact on organizational growth.
That's such a powerful vision, Mr. Nambi. It's inspiring to see how your journey is evolving beyond just innovation to also shaping leadership at a strategic level. All right. So, one of the biggest challenges organizations face today is balancing structure with agility, ensuring that governance and compliance don't become roadblocks to innovation, but rather enabler of sustainable growth. So, Mr. Nambi, with your vast experience in corporate governance, technology, and business transformation, how do you see organizations successfully creating synergy between compliance and innovation?
Yeah, I firmly believe that effective governance doesn't um, hinder innovation. It actually paves the way for it. In my experience, when organizations integrate agile transformation, agile governance, and risk-aware decision-making. They create an environment where compliance act as a structured enabler rather than a barrier. By embedding these practices into everyday operations, companies can confidently pursue innovative initiatives, knowing that each step is aligned with strategic and ethical standards.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's such an insightful way to look at governance. Because when it done right, it doesn't slow innovation. It actually gives it a structured pathway to strive. So, Mr. Nambi, joining Directors Institute is a significant step for many professionals looking to elevate their boardroom expertise and leadership impact. What inspired you to become a part of Directors Institute? And how has the experience shaped your perspective on corporate governance and executive leadership?
Well, my decision to join Directors Institute stemmed from a desire to deepen my understanding of corporate governance and to connect with leaders who shares a commitment to excellence. The experience has been transformative. It has broadened my perspective on board level decision making, and enriched my strategic uh, mindset and toolkit. Through this, through through the institute, through the institute, I have gained valuable insights into effective governance practices and had the opportunity to engage with a network of forward thinking executives. This journey has not only sharpened my leadership skills, but also reinforced my belief in the power of robust governance to drive sustainable, innovative growth.
Mr. Nambi, governance is such a crucial element of leadership, and it's great to hear how Directors Institute played a role in shaping your boardroom perspective.
Right.
Great, great, great. All right. So, what a conversation, Mr. Nambi. Your journey is nothing short of remarkable, and I love how you have woven together technology, leadership, and governance to create real impact. So, to everyone listening, if there is one thing to take away from this, it's that success isn't just about what you built, but about how you lead, adapt, and stay ahead of the change. And Mr. Nambi, you have shown us exactly that. So thank you so much for being here, for sharing your story, and for giving us so much to think about. I have no doubt that this is just the beginning of even bigger things for you. So all the best, and thank you so much once again.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Sunny. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you. And to our audience, thank you for tuning in. If you found value in today's episode, share it, talk about it, and most importantly, apply it. Keep learning, keep leading, and we will see you next time on FaceTime with Leaders. Thank you so much and have a nice time.
Thank you.